Power Lead System, lead capture page 1 here in the share code section. So I'm editing this one here today to give you an idea what it looks like. Here's the first template idea, and there's the second. So this is what it looks like on a desktop. Now, key point, when you're making pages with Power Lead System, make sure you check them on your mobile phone, because you got to remember, most of your traffic today is going to come from your mobile phone. So you want it to be mobile optimized to make sure these pictures, look the right way. So this is one I just made myself, and I made the picture a little bit smaller so it looks a little bit better on the phone. And let's go check out the page. So if I wanted to edit the background, I go to this feature here, scroll down. Maybe I want to make it like this. Scroll down. If I want to edit this button, the text on the button, you could do that too. Like this. Maybe I just want to put like click here now. I want to make it shorter. Maybe I want to remove that. Backspace. All right. And I'll scroll down. I want to hit save changes, and we're going to check it out and see how it looks. So you always want to be testing to see how this stuff looks. So there you go. You can change the background like that. And then I picked up my phone. I'm going to check it here on my phone, which you can't see. I mean, maybe you can see. So give me a second. Let me flip this. So that's what it looks like on the phone. Top 5 reasons. And you'll notice the button went away for some reason. So what I would do to fix that is, honestly, I think I would just, let's see. So I guess you could leave it that way, because if they click this, it goes to an opt-in page, and then they can enter their email, and then they can click and you can generate leads. But if you wanted to, let's see. Oh, I guess never mind. I guess that's what it always was. I was thinking there was an opt-in form underneath, but there's not. So that's how it looks on a phone. Oh, right. No. I was right. So I did make a little mistake here. So you see that there's this yellow button that says click here now, and I would put in like for the full video. So on the phone, that button, for some reason it went away, because like I hit backspace. So what I would do if that happens and you're having, mess ups, honestly, I would go in here if you don't want to use that, and I would just delete that page. Let's see here. Lead capture 2 test. I don't think that's the, okay, I titled it the wrong way. So I would go in here and actually just delete that page anytime you have a mess up, and I've done videos like that where, it messes up. A lot of this stuff you want to keep the same. So I would go back in here, I would click copy web pages, and the way that you find this one, this is lead capture 1, which is kind of a trickier page. It's given me problems before, but if you want something that is kind of plainer, appears bigger, like with the text, this is a page that you can use. So I'll scroll down until I find lead capture 1. Click lead capture 1. I want to copy that page template. Hit make me a copy, and then you can edit it this way. I'm just going to leave that the same so I can make this quick here. And you can see it's a pretty simple, straightforward video or page. So this is a picture that they can click, and it goes to an opt-in. So if you want to change that, you go to picture, as always, change it there. If you want to change the text, you can do that too. I'm just going to leave it the same. And maybe I want to change the header. Let's see. So I just realized that when I deleted this part, you don't want to hit that extra backspace. If you want to take this text out, you can hit delete, and let's see, it should still work here. So this bar will still show up. It's going to this default page because I didn't set it, but let's see here. So I like that. It looks pretty good. Now let's go in here and name that page. So that page should show up. It says copy of library page, lead capture 1. So if I want to edit that and I want to point it to a particular domain, so I'll put in like lead capture test 2 or lead capture 1 test 2. And then I want to check this one out on mobile as well. Hit review, view your web page. Now it's going to this domain. So I'm going to pull that up on mobile. I'm going to show you guys here a second how that works. Okay. So there you go. Let me flip the camera. So that's the lead capture test 2 I just made. Oops. And you can see it's got the little button that you can still click, which is good. You want that to show up. So when you take out that text underneath the button, make sure you don't hit another backspace, because sometimes with these pages, when you hit backspace, when you delete some of the page space or the text on it, sometimes it messes up the code and it changes the design somehow. So like it changes the design. So you just want to be aware of that. Make sure that they look good on both desktop and mobile, because a lot of your pages, or excuse me, a lot of your traffic is going to be mobile. So it looks good like that. So you can leave that picture the way it is. If you put in a custom picture, you might have to switch it up until you get the right one. So what I want you to do now, I want you to click the link below, sign up for the free lead system to learn more about Power Lead System today and how to start generating your own leads online.